Guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing this Nokia on Cricket. I don't actually know the model number. Looks like it's cracked right there just looking at it. Pretty sure it doesn't work. I don't really know. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Oh, it does work. Look at there. Nokia. But we're going to go and drop test it. I don't really like these Nokia phones. Last one I drop tested shattered. I picked it up and it completely just shattered in my hand after dropping it. So, not really a big fan of Nokia. So, at least the newer ones. I'm going to do a back drop from waist height in 3, 2, 1. And see the device is on. I really can tell it's kind of dim. I don't know if I can turn the screen up. There we go. So it is indeed working. From the backdrop, we got, looks like a nick there. Right here in the corner. A little bit up here. Camera lens is still fine. Phone still works. We'll go and do the corner drop in 3, 2, 1. Cover came off. Phone is still on. It is the Nokia RM-975. Just going to put this back cover back on here and see if we can find the damage. Looks like right here in this corner. Took a pretty good hit, kind of deformed the plastic. Other than that, looks to be about the same. Let's go ahead and see if it can survive the evil face down from waist height. In 3, 2, 1. I want to go and say that shattered. Just guessing. Yes, it completely shattered everything. It is still working. Digitizer still works. LCD is still working. But it is sharp too. But that doesn't matter. We're going to continue with the drop tests. We'll go with the back again from head height in 3, 2, 1. Battery came out this time. Looks like it shattered a little bit worse. I'm gonna turn it back on if it will. Maybe took some damage up here at this corner maybe this time. Didn't really see where that one hit at. I don't know if those cracks are there. I think they were. Alrighty, we'll go ahead and do the corner drop. We'll go, it's just about to cut my finger maybe this time. 3, 2, 1. That looks to have fallen on the face. Kind of hard to tell, but I'm pretty sure it did. Wrong button, that might have been a problem. Looks to be turning on still. That looks like a face down drop. But that's how it goes. I don't make the rules, drops or drops, so we'll go ahead and drop it on the face down for real now. 3, 2, 1. That time it looked like it hit the top, so grab the back cover again. That one, I don't know if it even got it on slow motion, to be honest. That was kind of the wind picked that one up right as I dropped it. LCD is still working. I don't know if you see the Nokia logo right there. So I think it's hit right here again. If I get it to focus real quick. Right there in the corner. So we're going to just throw it in the air. Hope for the best for the little Nokia. I think it still works. The screen still seems to be working. It says cricket on this display. I don't know if you can see that or not. There it is. It's working again. Digitizer still works. We're going to throw it in the air. 3, 2, 1. That looks to landed face down. Right on the poor screen. Oh no. I don't think this one's going to work. I think the LCD and digitizer are probably done for on this one. It might even be an AMOLED panel. I don't know. And I see the Nokia logo, at least. Take a look inside the car and see. I see the Nokia logo anyways. Oh, looky there. A very little. Oh, it damaged the LCD. Yep. There you go. Definitely got some damage to the LCD on this side. Digitizer does not work no more. That's it for this phone, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.